Hi guys, welcome to back. And Windows Photos have feature don't work means Google Photo. Windows Photos by default means Windows Viewer, Photo Viewer. Okay, so I show you photo. Oh, this one. Okay, so this is not working. So guys, search on search box to right click, go to app setting. So guys, scroll down. First, you have to repair this. Okay. Then click to restart. And then click to terminate. Okay. Just 2 to 3 times click. Okay. And then close it. Then guys, next. Uh, check Windows update if any Windows update is pending. So guys, download and install. Okay, just click to Windows update and check for Windows. It will check and show the ORKB series and all. Download and install. Do not restart, wait few seconds. It will properly install it. Then okay, so next guys, uninstall and reinstallations process. Okay, so click to start and type photo. Okay, and right click to uninstall. Its process is working in background. Okay, like this, just click. Okay, and when you restart, after that it is totally removed, but it's not required. You can search on the Google on the Windows search box. It can't be show here. Okay, no worry. Then guys, again reinstall. Just click to again Windows search, Windows icons, and search store, Microsoft Store. We are trying to install from Microsoft, and click and type photo, photos as. Okay, so this is Microsoft Photos viewer. Then click open this, then get and ready for the. Now preparing to download. Wait few minutes, it will so it is completed, almost done. Okay, and then next, how to update the driver. So right click to Windows icon, go to device manager. Okay, so one by one update. This is mic, speaker. Okay, so right click to update driver and search automatically. So basically this driver update from officially websites automatically. Now speaker. Okay, then guys, display driver. It might be show if you using graphic card, so it will be show your graphic card model number, so you can update the driver, search automatically and wait few seconds. Okay, after you completed all, then restart your system. Okay, so that is a keyboard, like I'm using PS2 keyboard. Okay, so it is same update driver and then automatic. Then again monitor, right click to update driver, search automatically. Okay, and this is network, so important. If you're using, you have some Wi-Fi, so you can same right click to update and update automatically. Close. If you're showing the Wi-Fi driver, so same select this and upgrade driver. Okay, and usual, so right click to update. So you can try one by one all. Close. And if you showing some error like that, so you can click on this scan for the hardware changes and then click it. Same right click to update driver. Could not find driver, so you have to install driver from websites. Okay, thank you. So this is SFC scanner. So how to run? This is command. I will give you this command in the video descriptions. So open CMD, click to start and type CMD. Right click to run as administrator. Then yes. So this is first command. Okay, copy and paste. If guys it is not copy paste, so you can type manually. Okay, so step by step, one by one, enter the command. This is first, second, third, fourth. Then second, then third, then last.